How to reset throttle body sensor. Resetting a throttle body sensor, TPS, throttle position sensor, or doing a throttle body relearn depends on the vehicle, but here are the most common and effective methods you can try. Method 1, Battery Reset, Basic Reset. This works on many cars, including Maruti Suzuki models. Steps. 1. Turn off ignition. 2. Disconnect negative battery terminal. 3. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Reconnect battery. 5. Turn ignition on, don't start, for 10 seconds. 6. Start engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes, no AC, no throttle. This allows ECU to relearn idle and throttle position. Method 2, Ignition on, off relearn, without disconnecting battery. Steps. 1. Turn ignition on, don't start engine. 2. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. 3. Turn off ignition. 4. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. 5. Start engine and let it idle. Method 3, Scanner Tool Reset, best method. Use an OBD scanner, like Launch, Auto, etc. Steps. 1. Connect scanner. 2. Go to Degree ECU Special Functions. Degree Select Throttle Body Relearn/Idle Relearn. 3. Follow on-screen instructions. This is the most accurate and recommended method for modern vehicles. Method 4, Clean Throttle Body, important. Sometimes reset fails because of carbon dirt. Steps. 1. Remove air intake pipe. 2. Spray throttle body cleaner. 3. Clean carbon deposits using soft cloth. 4. Reassemble and perform reset again. Symptoms after reset, normal. RPM may fluctuate initially. Engine may stall once. Idle becomes stable after few minutes. Important tips. Don't press accelerator during relearn. Ensure battery voltage is good. Check wiring if problem continues. If reset doesn't work. Possible issues. 1. Faulty TPS sensor. 2. Dirty throttle body. 3. Vacuum leak. 4. ECU issue. Thanks for watching my video.